How to access cpanel email. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Right now I am inside on my cpanel right here for my website, and to go ahead and access your email, you can just go ahead and scroll down from the cpanel tools, and from here you then want to navigate through the email section. Inside email, you want to click on the email accounts and you will be taken to this page right here. Once inside, you basically want to click on manage, and from here we can then go ahead and see all of the details about this specific email account. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.